everybody, we got a mail call from our good friend George over at You Wanna Watch. So box came in today. I'm excited. So let's dive into it. So we got a nice note. Thank you, George. Okay, so it's unboxed. Let me put this in order and I'll get right back to you. Okay, we'll start off here. I remember when George got these in and I was drooling over them. We got ourselves a 205 7/8, 205A, which is 13/16, a 206, which is 31/32, and we've got our 905A, which is 13/16, but with the bend. So, George, you're the best. I didn't even have any of these in my collection. Next up, we got some feeler gauges. We got the K53, and we've got the K58. These are awesome. Awesome. Thank you, George. Okay, next up back here, we got our water pump wrenches. Starting out with 1276, which is 2 3/8. Our 1272-S, which is 2 1/2. 1268, which is 2 1/8. Our 1266, which is 2 1/16. We've got our 1264, which is just plain 2-inch. Got our 1258, which is 1 13/16. Look at how that 5 is. Isn't that like the most old-timey? Man, that's just cool. Here we've got our 1252 inch and 5/8. Our 1250, which is 1 inch and 9/16. We got our 1246, which is 1 inch and 7/16. We got our 1240, which is 1 1/4 inch. And we've got our 1233, which is 1 1/8 inch. George, you freaking rock. Thank you so much. Wow, George, you really came through. I appreciate it. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed this mail call, Bonney Tool Hall. So make sure you check out George at You and Watch. And as always, stay safe, and we will check you later.